What is up guys, TechRax here. So in this video we're going to be doing the ultimate drop test using some homemade ZipLine technology. We have a brand new iPhone 11 Pro right here. There's no cracks on the front and on the back. In a nutshell guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a drop test from a bridge. This is a little bit of a reenactment. We're going to have the phone from the very top. We're going to drop it and it's going to be going at a crazy fast speed. We're slowing it down right here because this is just a little test to show you guys the bigger picture, but it's going to go to the very bottom, hit this object here, which is this watermelon, and we'll see if it survives. We'll see if the phone goes inside the watermelon, if it cracks, if it works, but I think it'll be really interesting to see the end result. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and do the real thing. So the first thing we're going to be doing is setting the fishing line at the very bottom. We have an orange hook just to make sure we can find where that point will be. This is a very high bridge, so we want to make sure we're safe with this. Here's the fishing line. We have everything together. As you guys can see, the crazy height, and this is going to go to the very bottom, which then will later drop the phone. And we have the line just flying straight down, guys. You guys can see how fast it still hasn't reached the bottom. Just to add a little perspective of just how high this bridge really is. Look at that crazy speed. And just like that, guys, we have the fishing line hooked up to the very top of the bridge. Very hard to see on camera, guys, but this thing goes all the way to the very top and all the way to the bottom, right in the center of this watermelon. That's going to be the impact zone. iPhone is going to land right here. We have this peg here for extra support. All we got to do now is drop the phone and see what happens. So we're going to get everything set up from the top. Let's see what happens. And just like that, guys, we have the phone all set up and ready to go. It's going to be flying down. We're going to see what happens at the very bottom. Of course, I will hit record on this iPhone. I'm actually just holding it with one hand here, so it's very sketchy, and there's a lot of tension on this. And there you go, guys. The iPhone is all strapped up. It's recording in slow-mo. Let's go ahead and drop it in 3, 2, 1. That was a pretty close call, guys. Let's go ahead and go with the actual drop test in 3, 2, 1. That scared me, guys, for a second. So it looks like it didn't actually slam straight into the watermelon, but I do see a mark here. I'm gonna look at the phone. Back is already cracked. The flash is on. Let me flip this thing over. Oh my goodness, still recording. The front literally is flawless. One suction cup remains on this phone. Let's go ahead and try and peel this out. I was thinking this phone is actually gonna smash straight through the watermelon, but look at this. Front looks clean, nothing wrong with it. But the back, that's insane. The back is just a nightmare. Now we're going to be doing one final drop test with this iPhone 11 Pro, guys. So as you've seen, the front has survived. The back is basically demolished. We're going to try and aim it for the watermelon this time. Again, it's very hard to predict if it goes a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, but it's worth trying one more time, especially since the phone is still working and the display is not even cracked. So let's go ahead and see how this turns out. And the second drop test in 3, 2, 1. We had a hit right there. The phone actually got lodged straight upside like this. That's crazy. The little hook right here is still attached. Oh my goodness, the phone's like vibrating. That is weird. Look at this, guys. So this time we have some real carnage. Look at that front. Look at the frame. Fully bent, fully destroyed. The back is... Just take a look, guys. Look at that. What a sight to see for a brand new iPhone 11 Pro. Let's take a look at the front. I don't even know if this thing powers on. I'm smelling a battery smell though already. Nope. Hopefully it did record that video footage, but that pretty much wraps it up, guys. I'm smelling that funky tardy smell of battery. So that wraps it up. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.